Beautiful large one bedroom in Flushing, this entrance. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets. It's got dishwasher. More cabinets. There is a door for the kitchen. Coat closet. Linen closet. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. A large bedroom. It's closet here. Another double door closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. You have banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 1 block from the train, the 7 train, main street stop. An apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you wanna view it, call me or text me so you can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.